Now we are going to discuss about the process Memoir, that is an Android app. Then comes the abstract of our process. The main aim of the project is to make an Android app for personal diary. So many of us does not have time to write our diary. So by using this app, we can update our diary at anywhere at any time. So any number of users can use the single app. Each person's diary will be maintained with secure password. Each person can create, edit and delete diary notes whenever they wish. So here the system was totally integrated Android app system, and it automates manual procedure in an effective and an efficient way. So this automated system makes the human work easier, and also the security level also high when compared to the existing system. Multiple users can use the app in a single mobile. Each user's app will be diary will be maintained securely with the password. So single user can use this app for the multiple purpose by maintaining multiple diary. So by using this app, user can take the mobile anywhere. So at that time, if the user want to update the diary, so the user can update it daily. So it does not take more time, and also when comparing to the existing system, this app was highly secured. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So this flow diagram shows the overall process of a system diagrammatically. So first one is the authentication. So to use our app, we have to register. So for registration process, the personal details will be collected like the mobile number, email address and the city. So after that, an OTP will be generated and sent to your mobile number which you are given in the registration process. So once they receive the OTP through messages, using the received OTP, the registration process should be continued. So if the OTP matches, then the user will be registered successfully and goes for the login process. So if it is does not match, so again user should give the details and receive OTP message, then continue the registration process. So after logging in, the user should set the profile, that is their email ID, the status. So next is writing the diary, so adding notes. So while adding notes, this is date and the time will be automatically shown, and the subject and the main content of the diary alone should be written by the user, and the user can view all the notes written by them. And also when by clicking the list particular notes, it will be viewed. So if the user want to read it, if the user can read it, or if want to delete or update, the operations can be performed. So this will be for the separate user. So using single app, multiple users can be used. Then comes the running procedure of our process. So this is the first page of our app, Memoir. So the user should first register and then log in. So registration. So first we have to enter the personal details. The mobile number given during the registration process will be taken used as a password, and also the OTP will be sent to this mobile number only. So, so registered successfully. So now using the phone number and the name given during the registration process is used to log in. login success. So for setting the profile and add a note and viewing the all notes. So first I'm going to set the profile. So these are the details given during the registration. So this is like a status. So if you want to change the status, you can change the status. So profile was updated. So if we want to add, so this is the page to write our diary. So here is the subject. So the content has been typed. So by clicking the save button, it will save to the diary. So the note has been added. So if you want to add another notes, so we can add. If you want to go back, click back button. So this will show the home page again. So this is the button to view all the notes. So the main subject only will be displayed here. So back, this is the new node. New node will go to the page for that creating new nodes. So by clicking the subject, it will move to the it will show the typed content. If you want to delete it, you can delete it, or if you want to update it, you can update it. So the note has been updated. So by clicking this new note, so this page will be shown. So I'm saving here. So note has been added. So clicking view all notes, so it will show the notes list here. So when I click this particular note will be shown. So that particular is shown. So if you want to delete it, you can delete it. So it was deleted. So that's all about our process. Thank you.